Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Spoken, where learning English is simple, natural, and fun.
Hi everyone. We're excited to have you with us today.
Have you ever moved to a new city and thought, how can I make new friends?
Maybe you want to talk to Americans, but you don't know what to say.
Don't worry. Today, we're going to learn English through a simple real-life story about how to make friends in America.
You'll learn how to start a conversation, introduce yourself, ask questions, and turn a simple conversation into a new friendship.
So listen carefully, repeat the useful sentences, and most importantly, don't be afraid to speak.
And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Spoken, like this video, and share it with another English learner.
All right, let's start our story.
It was Saturday morning in Seattle, Washington. My name is Daniel, and I had recently moved to the city for a new job. I liked my new apartment, my new job, and the beautiful city. But there was one problem. I didn't have any friends.
Daniel wanted to meet new people, but he didn't know how to start. One Saturday, he decided to go to a local park. He sat on a bench and watched people playing basketball, walking their dogs, and drinking coffee. Then he noticed a young man playing basketball alone. Daniel smiled and decided to say hello.
Hi, is this your basketball?
The young man smiled.
Yeah, it is. Do you play?
A little. I'm not very good though.
Neither am I. Want to play?
Sure.
They started playing basketball. After a few minutes, Daniel asked,
By the way, I'm Daniel. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
After playing for a while, they sat down on the bench.
So, Daniel, are you from Seattle?
No, I'm originally from Texas, but I moved here 2 weeks ago.
Wow, welcome to Seattle. How do you like it?
I really like it. The city is beautiful, but everything is still new to me.
I understand. I moved here 3 years ago.
Really? How did you make friends?
Honestly, I just started talking to people.
That sounds easy.
It can be difficult at first, but you don't need a perfect conversation. Just be friendly and ask simple questions.
Daniel realized something important. He didn't need perfect English. He just needed the courage to start. Then Alex said,
I'm going to get coffee. Do you want to come?
Sure, I'd love to.
They walked to a nearby coffee shop. While waiting for their coffee, Daniel asked,
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like playing basketball, watching movies, and going hiking.
That's great. I like hiking too.
Really? A group of my friends is going hiking next Saturday.
Can I join you?
Of course!
Daniel smiled. One simple hello had turned into an invitation.
So, what time are you going?
We're meeting at 9 in the morning.
Perfect. I'll be there.
Great. I'll text you the details.
Daniel went home that afternoon feeling happy. He had made his first friend in his new city. And he learned something important. Making friends doesn't always require a big conversation. Sometimes, it starts with 3 simple words.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Let's review some useful phrases from today's story.
Number 1. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time.
Number 2. How do you like it? You can use this to ask someone about their experience with a new place or situation.
Number 3. What do you usually do on weekends? This is a great question for starting a friendly conversation.
Number 4. Do you want to come? You can use this when inviting someone somewhere.
And number 5. I'd love to. This is a friendly way to accept an invitation.
Remember, making friends in America or anywhere in the world starts with communication.
You don't need perfect English. You don't need perfect grammar. And you don't need to know exactly what to say.
Just smile, say hello, ask a simple question, and listen.
One small conversation can become a new friendship.
If you enjoyed today's English story, make sure to subscribe to Mr. English Spoken, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning English.
And here's today's question. How would you start a conversation with a new friend? Write your answer in the comments.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and never be afraid to say hello.
See you in the next story.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.